Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, back in the garden. I'm giving you guys a look at the garden in the ending of October. We still have food in the garden. We still have okra. We have peppers. We have beans, black-eyed beans. We have turmeric. We have ginger. This is the shisho. It's seeding right now, so this is a ton of seed. This plant pushing right now. You know what I'm saying? So yes, guys, it's marvelous because food is in the garden. This is more ginger right here. That's turmeric over here. But guys, guess what, man? I'm still able to grow some pretty decent sized pepper, even though I'm not using nothing but my remedy, which is leaves and grass and tree trunk and these things. But look, this pepper is still producing so much at this time. So I think I want to do a little harvest today because I'm going to leave a few of the big ones because I want them to get ripe and turn seed. Not turn seed, but able for the seed to get mature. So yes, let's get to it. We're only going to pick a few though, like this one. These two different, yeah. Okay. Only a few, guys. Look at this one. You see the look of this one? It look like it have two eyes and a mouth dog there. Man, what is going on here? You know what? For that sake, I'm going to leave you. I'm not even going to pick you. I'm going to just leave you there to mature right there. All right? Okay, so let's see what's going on here, guys. Pepper again to pick. Man, it's always food in this garden. Something. You could never come here and nothing to eat. Okay, this one and this one. I'm going to just leave a few of them. I'm just going to pick a few and just leave the rest to ripe in. Okay? All right, this is my garlic coming up here, guys. Shooting up already. Look, this one have like 4 right here. And look up inside there. Still pepper like crazy producing. So this is a morning stroll in the garden while harvesting some beautiful pepper at the same time. All right. So, okay, guys, we have some here as well. This is a nice one. All right. Over here as well. This one almost getting ready to ripe, so I'm gonna leave it. This one, I'm gonna leave them. I love to see them ripe on the tree. They look so beautiful. So I'm gonna leave a few of them for that. This one getting ready to ripe as well. So I'm gonna pick this one here. This one around here is huge. Look at this one around there, guys. But guess I'm gonna leave that one to ripe. Okay, just a few I want. So now I'm gonna go and pick the monkey peppers them. These monkey peppers, what I'm gonna do, I have enough pepper sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these and dehydrate them, dry them, and take the seeds from them. And even though the weather is changing, we see a new leaf, but we still see a new leaf coming up here and a lot of blossom, even though the weather is changing. I ain't gonna lie, this pepper tree did really well. Oh yes. Okay, let me go down and see what's down here ripe. All right. So what is here, I'm just gonna leave them to mature a little more. So yes guys, this is what I harvest this morning, and as you can see I have a lot more, but I'm just gonna allow this for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.